I woke up today. The sun is out. All is well. I can move. I can breathe. I'm grateful I am alive. The mind is still slow. Get up and move. The flow awaits you. Don't think too much. Go. My inner boy needs a kind word. My inner girl wants a hug. That is normal. I give them my attention. I am grateful I am alive. I feel the burden of many yesterdays. The mind is full of doubts. This is Earth. I am human. Nothing new here. Move the body. Breathe. I am grateful to be here. Life pushes me to evolve and build as an elder. Life pulls me back to play in the sand as a child. I accept both. I am grateful I am alive. Sometimes I react aggressively and feel shame and guilt. Sometimes I suppress my soul and feel hopeless. I accept both sides as necessary steps to freedom. I am grateful I am still here. Some joints creak. Some muscles are weak. Some organs growl. Some nerves don't fire like I want them to. I can train today. I can heal it over time. I am grateful I can work on it. I am alive. I lost many memories being in fight or flight. I am fragmented with many pieces floating around in the ether. So is everyone else. Let me breathe, ground, and assemble all the pieces. I'm grateful I see the way back. There is only today. We are here. Peace, health, and abundance. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, ask a question, or share your story. Check out my audio courses: Human Design Basics, Intermediate and Advanced, Human Design Projector Masterclass, and Elemental Balancing course. You can listen to the first lesson of each course for free. Once purchased, stream as much as you like and learn at your own pace. Check out the testimonials from happy students. Join the League of Wanderers community. You can join on the weekly community and support calls. You can book one-on-one personal human design reading and coaching calls with me. You can join us on the Insight Timer app for stress release movement classes and Q&A sessions. There is a newsletter you can sign up for, and there are my free ebooks to download. My merch web shop is available if you would like to get my original artwork and designs printed on a variety of high-quality products. You can also contact me for commissions and graphic design work. Last but not least, you can follow me on Instagram. All the mentioned services and offerings can be found on icreatelines.com, and also check out the description of the video for more details. If you have any questions of any kind, if you would like to collaborate, if you want to come on a podcast, or you have suggestions and feedback, don't hesitate to contact me. I wish everyone peace, health, and abundance.